video, and today I am going to be making a scrunchie. And I want you guys to make sure that you subscribe. And I'm serious. I want you guys to subscribe. Hit those notification bells and also hit that bell. Also, hit the like button, of course. And I want you guys to make sure if this video hits about, I don't know, 1.9 million views, I'm gonna give a shout out to you. I definitely want to beat my brother. He's at like 100. He has like 800 views. He has like 800 subscribers. And I want to beat him to 1,000 subscribers. You girls out there, girl power to me. Give me all that girl power. Boys, no. Boys, you give me that. You give me all that subscribing stuff and you don't even subscribe to me. Well, that anything counts. And if you guys see, I have a camera right here. I'm going to be watching you guys. That way I can actually have it on my camera. And this camera is going to, and I got this camera from Christmas actually, not for my birthday, of course. And this camera, it can see my hand, of course. See? Yep, it can see my camera. It can see my hand, of course. It is charged, only a little bit. So this video will probably be about 10 minutes, and this takes 10 minutes. So actually charge it down. So, yeah. And I made 2 scrunchies already, just to show you guys. Now, here are the scrunchies that I made. I made a unicorn one, and it's kind of diamond one. If you guys can't see the rainbow in it, I can see some of the rainbows glitter in it. If you guys can't see the rainbow glitter in it, the rainbow scarlet, the rainbow I don't know, confetti. Yeah, it's probably just rainbow stuff. If you guys can't see it, just try to get this. And I got this toy from Five Below. And you guys see some of my videos, I have the box here. The box, my mom, she threw it by mistake in the garbage because we didn't know that we were going to do a video, but it's fine. At least you still know how it looks like. At least you still know how it looks inside of it. So, the scrunchies are made. These are the scrunchies that I already made. And here's all the stuff that is in here. Here's all the stuff that was in here. So, I made 2 scrunchies, which is 4 scrunchies that I'm going to make. So, here is a flower. I don't even know where the other one is at. It's like a gem one. It's like a gem one or something. Here are the instructions. I'm going to show you that in a minute. These are the strings that I'm going to be making. So one is for me to show you how to, one is for this, and then the other one is for you guys to see how I did it again. If you guys don't know, if I'm going too fast, you can easily, this one, it's going to be the slow-mo. I'm going to be doing this a little bit slower. This one I'm probably going to do a little fast, so yeah, I'm going to do it a little fast. Okay, so these are 4 scrunchies, and for the scrunchies that I'm going to be making, I need 2 of these. There's actually 4, but I used the other 2 for those 2, for the other scrunchies. And then you would need 2 fasteners. I'm going to be showing you how to do it now. I'm going to leave these scrunchies right off to the side on my table real quick. Here are the 2. I'm going to start with the polka dot one. And this one is going to be the fast one. this one is going to be the slow one because this one's my favorite. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one off to the side. I'm going to use this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these here. These are just going to go right here in these little slots. I'll show you guys. In these little slots, in these little slots, I'm going to put these in it. Easy, simple. And here's another one right here. Okay. Let's squeeze it in. Got it. Okay. So I'm going to scoot it up a little close. So, what you're going to do is you want to put one of these fasteners in. Right here. Right here. In this little bitty slot. Right here. Right there. By this thing right here. Now, if you guys don't know that if you want to have the perfect one, you can easily just put this one. So what you want to do is you want to have, if you guys want to, you can have this little bitty hole right here. Put it through this little bitty slot right here. Got it. So now that it's like that, if you guys can see, I'm going to put this part right in this little slot. Right here. And the camera's like zoomed in a little bit. That way you guys can actually see where I'm pointing. And this little slot, this little hole right here, it's going to go on the side right here. Put it right over here. Got it. Okay. So I have my polka dot one. I have my little bitty polka dot. Now, so I'm going to get out of the camera that way you guys can actually see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over the whole entire band. That's going to be inside. That's going to be inside of it for it to actually stretch like a you know what I mean. Scrunchie, of course. Want to make sure that it's all the way. So now you want to clip this off from the top, and you want to put it over here. Scoot it up if you need to. And what you want to do, what you want to do is you want to just flick it right on the other side of this fastener. It's kind of hard. Come on. Got it. So now it's like that. And I know I'm supposed to use the instructions. So I'm going to use the instructions. So there's 4 fasteners, 4 elastic bands, 4 gems. There's actually 3 gems. Actually 2 gems, actually. And there is Scrunchies Maker and 4 fabric styles. So I'm going to fold this back up. Guys don't know. Pleat. Wow, that was weird. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to make sure you pull up this part right here. That part right there. And what you want to do is you want to put this over, just like that. Now it's starting. Now, what you want to do is you want to keep pulling it up, keep pulling it up, but then you have it like that. Now what you want to do is you want to take this fastener out of the little slot right here. I have a scrunchie. Make sure that it's not going to pop off. So I'm not going to pull it too hard or else it'll just snip off. And I made a scrunchie. And that is how you make a scrunchie. Now, I'm going to do it one more time, but this time I'm going to use this one. And this time it's going to have a gem for the last part. So, and I am a master at this, and I'm serious. Same thing, just put the fastener inside that slot, put this over, a little elastic band right here, put this over here, take this part, put it all over the band. Same again. Now, take it off of that part. Now, put this over on the other side of the band. And then it's like that. Now what you want to do is you want to put it over. You want to put it over just like that. Got it. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to take the band out of the same slot right here. Then you have a scrunchie. But there's still one more part. There's still one more part that you're missing. The little bitty gem. So here's the little gem. Okay, so here is where. So you're going to put this right inside under the gem, right inside of here. Just slide it right there. And then you made yourself a little scrunchie. Perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. So I made the polka dot one, fleets. I made a glitter one, blank, yeet. I made a galaxy one, bleat, and a unicorn one, bleat. And that is how I make and that is how you make a scrunchie. And if you guys want to watch it again, just repeat it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys liked it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Actually, subscribe. Hit those bell symbols up. Hit those bell symbols. Hit those thumbs up. I made TikToks before, but they're on my channel. It's on my channel. Guys, when you see my TikToks, it's on my channel. It's not on the actual TikTok app. And thank you guys so much. Selfie. Gotcha. Bye.